Yeah, Abby, this is Spencer Circle off of 108th Avenue here in Cleveland County. This is one of the hardest hit areas down here. There were homes lost, and you can see one of those right here behind me. A lot of people here in the county only had a few minutes to evacuate.
Came up and said, you know, you getting ready to leave? You getting ready to evacuate? I said, yeah, I'm thinking about it. And he said, well, get your people and get out.
Carolyn said an emergency manager told her to evacuate.
Oh, and saw this plume of smoke going up. It was southwest of me. And I thought, oh no.
She talked to me at Cross Point Church in Norman, an evacuation center, a few minutes after she and her neighbor Sheila got there.
We don't know for sure if everything's okay.
We don't have any place to go back to.
Along with the physical wind, Friday was a whirlwind for both of them. Lots of unknowns. But at this point,
And we'll handle whatever we find one day at a time.
they're glad to be alive. It's not the first time they've been evacuated for fires either.
And you can sit down and think of things and realize that all that matters is our safety. We're okay.
Friday, we found this small neighborhood off 108th Avenue Northeast and Spencer Circle. Homes were lost, but it's one of 8 different areas where homeowners were evacuated out of harm's way.
I'm hoping I'm far enough south that at least my house and shop will be saved.
Now, we have not heard officially from Norman Fire just yet, nor have we heard from the Cleveland County Emergency Management Office, but neighbors here in this area tell us that there have been no major injuries. In Cleveland County, Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.